You guys have a green light. Enjoy the ride. Have fun.
Thanks. Whoa. Wow. Wow. Ah.
There's an important sign, so I'm gonna need you to read them off to me because I can't catch your head.
Really? I'm sorry. Yay! Wow! Yeah! Yeah, right. Go forward. Ooh, it's far.
Okay. And now we know.
This is fun, actually.
And that wasn't even me pushing it down all the way.
No?
No.
It's fast. I just don't want to lose my phone. You know how I
No.
popped out last
No, I
time? I
know.
was like holding on.
You really can't go again.
I want to go
I
again.
don't want to go. I'm gonna go on myself.
See, you said you want to go with me.
Well, yeah, it was fun. Don't want to go by myself. Actually, no, I'm more than anything. I want to go in and start because I see that there's lights on the track.
I
it's
know,
not
but
dark
no,
enough.
they said that it closes.
I know. Silly.
Are you comfy? Am I squishing you?
A little bit.
That's okay.
That's okay.
Yeah.
Can't even say anything because we're on camera.
Yay! This is fun. Yeah, super fun.
Get up.
It's hard. I don't have any back seat.
More lights. Here we go.
Oh, yeah. Like, here you go.
It was kind of nice on the way up.
It was a nice leisurely upward climb.
There's some nice little
Leisure ascent.
trip. An exciting descent. A relaxing ascent.
It was fun. You really put in some core work. Wait, I can't just get off you. Yes.